In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Airalo eSIM from start to finish, and by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and full understanding to set it up and use it yourself. I'm traveling soon to Thailand, so I'll be purchasing and setting up an eSIM for Thailand, and I'll also show you how it works once you arrive at your destination. First, what you need to do is go to the Airalo website, using the link in the description, and download the Airalo app on your phone. Once the app is downloaded, open it and create your account if needed. After opening the app, you will see options to browse available eSIM plans. Inside the Airalo app, you will see a list of popular countries, and from here, you can choose the country where you want to use your eSIM. If you are traveling across multiple countries, you can also choose regional or global plans. For example, if you are visiting several countries in Southeast Asia, you can select the Regional Asia plan and get coverage for multiple locations. However, most travelers usually visit one country at a time, so I am going to select Thailand. Once you select your country, you will see different data plans available. Once you select your country, you will see different data plans available. Here you need to decide whether you want data only or a plan that includes calls and text messages. In most cases, travelers mainly use internet data for apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Google Maps, so I am going to select a data-only plan. I will choose a small plan just for demonstration, but prices and data sizes may vary depending on your country and currency. After selecting your plan, proceed with the payment process. Once the payment is completed, go back to the Airalo app and tap on My eSIMs, which is usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Here you will see your purchased eSIM listed. Tap on the eSIM to view more details, including supported countries, validity period, and important installation instructions. You will also notice that the eSIM can only be installed once, so it is highly recommended to install it while you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network at home before you travel. This helps prevent installation errors and ensures everything is ready before you reach your destination. Now tap on eSIM installation and then tap View Instructions. The app will guide you through several steps, including making sure you have a stable internet connection, not interrupting the installation process, and avoiding deleting the eSIM during setup. Carefully follow each instruction and tap Next. You will then see installation options, including direct installation, QR code, and manual setup. The easiest and recommended option is direct installation, so select that and tap Install eSIM. Follow the on-screen instructions, allow your phone to install the eSIM, and wait for the installation process to complete, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Once installed, tap Continue, and you will be asked to assign mobile plan labels. Your primary SIM will usually remain your existing phone number, while the Airalo eSIM will appear as mobile data or secondary SIM. You can rename it later if you want. For now, continue with the default settings. You will also see options for iMessage and FaceTime. You can keep these linked to your primary SIM if you want. For mobile data selection, you can keep your primary SIM selected until you arrive at your travel destination. Make sure that mobile data switching is turned off to avoid accidental data usage from your primary SIM. After completing this setup, your eSIM will be installed but not yet active. The eSIM usually activates when you arrive in the selected country and connect to a supported network. Before traveling, you can prepare everything by going to your phone settings, opening mobile service or cellular settings, and confirming that your eSIM is installed. You can also rename the eSIM to something like Thailand, so you can easily recognize it. Make sure network selection remains on automatic, which allows your phone to connect to the strongest local network when you arrive. When you land in your destination country and want to start using the eSIM, go to your phone settings, open mobile service, and enable the eSIM. At this point, You should also enable data roaming for the eSIM, because most travel eSIMs require roaming to function. At the same time, it is very important to turn off data roaming for your primary SIM to avoid extra roaming charges from your home carrier. Once this is done, your phone should automatically connect to a local network, and your mobile data should start working. If your phone does not automatically connect to a network, try restarting your device. If the issue still continues, you can manually select a network by turning off automatic network selection and choosing one of the available local networks. To confirm everything is working, open a browser or any app that requires internet access and try loading a web page or searching for something. You can also open the Airalo app, go to My eSIMs, tap on your eSIM, and check your remaining data, validity period, and usage details. This helps you track how much data you have left during your trip. Using an eSIM, like Airalo, is very convenient because you do not need to remove your physical SIM card, and you can easily switch between networks without visiting local stores or buying physical SIM cards. It is especially helpful for travelers who want instant internet access as soon as they arrive in another country. Before ending this video, it is important to mention that sometimes you may try using internet services or accessing certain content without a VPN, and while this may work in some cases, it can be unreliable, slower, or restricted depending on the country you are visiting. A much easier and safer option is using a trusted VPN like NordVPN. It helps protect your data, improves privacy, and allows you to securely access online services while traveling. Setting it up is simple. You just download NordVPN, sign in, choose your preferred server location, and connect before browsing the internet. NordVPN also offers a risk-free experience with a money-back guarantee, so you can try it without worry. You can find the NordVPN link in the description. That's it for this video. Now you know how to purchase, install, and use an Airalo eSIM while traveling, and you should be able to set everything up easily before your next trip.